Hey, it's Jonah, and today I'm going to demo a D natural minor harmonica. Natural minor is a tuning that many harmonica players have never heard of, but it's a lot of fun. It makes playing in minor so easy, so much easier than using the blues scale in second position, because you can play that like that 3 half-step bend note just as a normal draw hole, and it just has a very different vibe with minor chords. And it has a cool sound. So I'm going to show you what this sounds like. If you want to learn how to improvise like this, go check out my Start Soloing program. It's $27. Links below in the description. All right, I'm going to play. Check it out. Thanks for watching. So this was a Dabell Noble in D minor. If you're going to pick up a natural minor, definitely check if the tuning is labeled in first position or second, like this one is labeled in second position. So just kind of be aware of that. And if you want to play over the backing track, you'll find it in the description. Now, if you want to learn how to play like me, go check out my Start Soloing program. It's only $27 and you can pick it up. The link is down below in the description. I'll see you next time. Peace.